Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in like photos inside of like shaped frames on CapCut Browser. So if you go to the frames down here, there's a lot of options here. There's a lot of packs you can choose from, like these ones. This one's pretty cute. I like this one. You can add it and you can even resize it. I don't know why it's lagging a little bit. Then you can just go to photos or upload any photos that you like. You're just going to get one from this. I'm just going to select it and you're just going to basically move it inside of the frame. So like not like on the background, but inside of the frame. And you can like move it around to get the part that you want. And then you can even like change the background here to, guess, make it look more interesting. I like find maybe like this yellow one, and you can add in more frames if you'd like to. There is a lot again you can choose from, like here. Okay. And then you can again go to photos and find like an image you want to add to it, like maybe this one. And yeah, that's it. You can add in text, maybe like destinations. I don't know. That's it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If you want to export it, just press the export button and download it as a JPEG. You can just adjust the file format. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!